click on the corner.
Yo, your phone a ring? Rotted. Hello. Yes. Patrick? Rotted, brother. You know what's up on the corner me there? Me and my brethren them a play two domino and go and drink a little one dragon and thing, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I mean, and Skiddy and Sling Dog out here. Yeah, man. I go and beat two liquor and, you know? Yeah, man. And play two domino. Oh, I tell you, say, a six love the boy, them just get under them nastiness, you know. Yeah, man. We not joke with them, brother, man. Yeah, man. Mhm. Right here now, a four, then they pan right here now. Don't forget a next six. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I joke with the game tonight, brother. I tell you. Yeah, man. We just go and hold our vibes and thing, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah. So where you going with over there? Yeah, chill. Yeah, go and bill. Oh, okay. Yeah, man. Well, go and do that then, no? Go and hold it, brother. Go and hold it. Yeah, man. Yeah, you have to forward at work earlier morning. So what? Me no check say the late shift you in there, pan, brother. Your shift change? Why? We can't bother with all them shift type of work there, you know. Good things you taxi me run, you know. We just go down the street and boy go down the street, you know. 'Cause we can't bother with that man a program me no star. Me I tell you, you know, man. Cause sometimes me like I'll sleep in my bed, you know. You understand? Me don't like a man to program me, man. Me can't bother with them type of thing there, man. But a man have to do what you have to do still, you know. Yeah, man. I mean, what's up? Foreign, they're not too easy, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, as anyone was say, I credit me depend, you know, international minutes. Yeah, man. Come WhatsApp now to work, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah. So, all right then. If anything, me link you tomorrow still, you know. Yeah. All right then, brother. Yeah, man. Go and hold it, man. You know? Bless up yourself. Bless up yourself, brother. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will be a great thing for me. Okay?